In this video, we're going to go over rhinestone effect. First, we're going to go over the outline of a rhinestone. So basically, you can take any shape that is on your mat, simply select it, and then go up to the effects menu and go down to rhinestones. You'll see a new menu will appear, and this is where you're going to get to manipulate the stone size. So we have some stone size selections that you see over here. All you have to do is click on the stone size that you would like, and you are able to pick the stone down here that matches your rhinestone. You can click the preview, and you can sort of see how many stone counts you actually will have. Now, if this is not the right type of stone spacing or stone size, you can enter these manually. So in this example here, I'm going to do 0.5 millimeters, and I'm going to hit the preview. As you can see, we may have some irregular stones that you find right here on the T. We do have the ability to check mark this, and it may help you with the stones. As you can see by clicking the preview again, with that check mark, we now have stones filled in that area. Let's go ahead and hit OK, and that will finalize your rhinestone. If you increase and decrease the shape, the rhinestone size does not change, but your stone count will change. So keep that in mind when you're resizing your letters. If you do need to edit something again with the rhinestone, you are able to select it and go up to the effects menu in rhinestones to edit any information that you would need here. Let's take a look at what this would look like on a single line font. So these fonts right here are called open path fonts. They give you a single line, and they work really well when it comes to either drawing, but even better yet, with rhinestoning. Again, we're going to follow the same pattern. We're going to select our text that we have on the mat, go up to the effects menu, and go to rhinestones. Again, we're going to select the stone. We're going to preview. And again, you can still adjust your spacing if that is not working out for you. So that is how we can do rhinestone inside of CreateSpace utilizing the outline. Now we're going to do a rhinestone fill on the text. I'm going to go ahead and select the text, go up to Effects, and then we're going to Rhinestones. I'm going to go ahead and choose S11. And the main thing that you need to check in order to fill the shapes is right here. We're going to make sure that that is check marked, and then we can choose our stone and hit preview. And that is really it when it comes to rhinestoning. We can hit OK, and we can see that it is now saved in the stone that we selected. So again, we learned how to do an outline as well as a fill utilizing rhinestone effect inside CreateSpace.